So this is basically going to be a low-tech DIY for Apex Legends. Basically, it's any shooting game. It could be Modern Warfare, Apex Legends, any shooting game. You want to grab you some these little glue water dots. It's sticky on both sides, so you want to take that. You want to take a piece of paper. You want to make a little black mark on it, similar to that. That's not the one that I'm gonna use, but I'm just doing that for demonstration purposes. Take your Sharpie, make your little mark. Then you want to take your scissors and you want to cut it out. You want to stick it to the middle of the dot, the transparent dot. And then once you have that, you're going to take and you're going to put it on your crosshairs. And you're going to have that on your crosshairs. And what that does is two things. First off, if you don't already have, like this is my monitor, so it's got the crosshairs built into the monitor. If you don't have that, what it does is it keeps you from running around with your head down or your head up or sideways or whatever. It keeps everything centered and level. You want everything level. So that's the first thing. Second thing, it quickens your time to aim. So the different sights on your guns and everything, they got sights and everything for your guns and everything, but the dark spot is going to stand out from everything on the screen. It doesn't matter if it's somebody in the shadows, it doesn't matter if it's real bright or what, the dark spot is going to stand out on your screen. And like I said, this was a low-tech tutorial, DIY, and if you don't want to use anything, any type of third-party accessories or anything like that, then this is still, with the right ALCs and the right settings, this is still very OP. And believe me, it's going to help your aim. Your aim accuracy is going to go up tremendously once you do it. All right, everybody, take care.
You got bamboozled. Got bamboozled. Look at you.